Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Let's dive into the world of building your own ultimate gaming PC. To start, we need to select the right components for your gaming PC. This includes the CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, and storage devices. Let's find the perfect match for your gaming needs. Now that we have all the components, it's time to put them together. Don't worry, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Get ready to become a PC building pro. Once your gaming PC is assembled, it's time to optimize it for maximum performance. We'll show you how to fine-tune the settings and make sure you get the best gaming experience possible. Now that your gaming PC is optimized, it's time to install the essential software. We'll walk you through the process of getting your PC ready to play your favorite games. Congratulations! You've successfully built your ultimate gaming PC. Get ready to experience gaming like never before. Start playing and enjoy.